we call this the Freedom Park or the Lovers Park. Those are markers. The small one is for those who were able to survive the massacre, and the big markers are for those who were not able to survive, you know. So the Americans at the top symbolizes how the Americans suffered during that time. So the 11 survivors that were able to swim there, you can see over there. So they went to it.
What? Hello? Hello? Dila? Ate? Mami kasi. Ano?
So ngayon ay ginawa ng Lovers Park.
Mami? No, bitch! Yeah, pwede tayo mag-eat!
Ay, sige pa. 150% lang naman. Hindi, bisa ka.
So yung statue na yan is yung representation of what the